Hey everyone, this is Agatha with Photo Booth Entrepreneur. In this video, we're going to teach you how to download Zoom. All right, so let me share my screen with you guys really quick. Okay, I think, yep, this is it. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is, let's see here. Yep, all right, cool. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to type in zoom.com. Once you go to zoom.com, you're going to see a list of products right here. What we're going to use and download is, let me move this out of the way, this right here. So we're going to be using the workplace, and then down here at the bottom left, it'll say install on desktop. So this is what we're going to need. We're going to scroll down and we're going to download, if you are using Windows, you're going to be using this, the download 64-bit, and you're going to save it into your downloads and hit save. Once it's finishing downloading, then we're going to open and install it. And then if you're using a Mac, then you're going to download for Mac. Okay, so for Mac, let's see, it'll be right here. Let's see. Mac versus, let me see, download Zoom Workplace app. It should give you both, but well, if you have a Mac, it'll show you the Mac version here. So just to show you that. All right, so now that it's downloaded, you can confirm right over here. And once it opens up, it'll look something like this, and that will initialize the entire process, install it, agree to the terms, download it, and then once you open it, you can create a free account if you'd like to. And then that's pretty much it. That's how you successfully download Zoom, and this is what we're going to be using for our one-on-ones. So